My friends, welcome again to Once Upon a Pipe. This is winter edition, and it certainly looks like after a long while of hide and go seek, Old Man Winter, sweet, Old Man Winter has, okay, has found its way toward us here in the Bluegrass State in the central Kentucky area specifically. And let me tell you, a short commute of only what should be about 5 minutes in traffic, 6 at the mostest, took me, I don't know, well, it wasn't too bad. Maybe took me about 10 minutes or so, but I was going northbound. Southbound traffic is a whole different story. Yeah, those guys are crawling. It started snowing this morning between 8:30 and 9 o'clock. By the time I got out to my car to come home, or to warm it up and clear it off, which was about a little bit after 4 o'clock, man, I probably had a solid 6+ inches on the hood of the car. Craziness, you know? So here we are, January the 6th, Thursday afternoon, late afternoon, and we've got our first snowstorm of the year, of the season, really. Earlier today, I got a text, and it said that the Lexington Police Department was not even taking any collision reports at the time. They were holding over 60 collision reports. They had over 30 collision incidences within 15 minutes. We don't really know how to handle this stuff here in Kentucky. It is true. It is very true. In fact, one of our own guys at work was involved in 2 minor accidents. One where he just, kind of sideswiped, hit the mirror. His mirror hit the mirror of another vehicle. And then right after that got cleared up, he texted back, it was probably about a half hour, 40 minutes later, that someone had hit him. So, yeah, that's the craziness of it all here, man. We're we're in trouble for a little bit. I got a call not too long ago from my boss telling me to send out a text and tell people, don't even worry about coming in tomorrow. It'll be a long weekend, another 3-day weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Don't know that much is going to be happening, so we're going to just take it as it comes. There are people that are for sure having a lot worse off than we are. I think about what are all those people in the western part of the state doing that just a few weeks ago had their homes wiped out by those tornadoes. I feel for them. I mean, you don't want to be in this mess and in some shelter someplace, but I mean, I mean, it could always be worse. I haven't gotten out of my car yet, as you can tell, because my sons are shoveling the driveway, shoveling snow. Let me see if I can give you a look out here. I don't know if you can see. Look at that. That's a hard-working guy right there. There we go. Look at. He'll have a lot of snow to move tonight. Oh, look, here's the main thing. Get inside, get settled down, get a good cup of coffee, reload the pipe. I got some Lane 1Q in here. It should be in English for a day like today, but it's just a good old standard Lane 1Q. I was out of coffee at work today, so I haven't had any coffee at all. I'm fixing to take care of that problem right now. Wherever you are, whatever your winter season is like, I hope that you are staying very warm and staying very safe. Don't travel if you do not have to. We're learning that here. Way too many collisions, and even if you think you're a great driver, it's the 100 other people that are around you that may not be so great. So don't take the chance. All right, man. God bless you. Thank you for tuning in once again to Once Upon a Pipe, and I look forward to seeing you next time.
We did it! We did it! I'm dead! For life! But still dead. It's okay.